What's going on, guys? This is the Taco Jedi, aka Dark Taco. Wanted to share a little video that I made today. Those of you who may know, I took the day off from work today, so I've been lounging around, pretty much just being a bum, playing some GOTC, um, and starting to work on some crafting. Now, those of you who know me know I hate crafting, so I was like, how can I do this? How is there a faster way I can get through all this? I bought a crafting pack and I'm using a little formula that Clyde posted of creating a bunch of templates for an upcoming crafting event. So I started going through it, and for your level 1 crafting, you have to craft 124 pants, 142 rings, and 24 daggers. So that's a lot of clicks. So I decided, you know, is there a better way to do this? So I searched the Googles and I found a couple of ways to do it. So I wanted to share with you kind of what I used today to get me through this madness of crafting all this gear. So let's head on over to so you can see my screen. It's the crafting within the application here. So basically, what I did, I decided to go through the process of actually creating um, some of the different pieces. So right now, I'm going to be working on my ring. So obviously, if I go to the process, you go forge, forge, maybe use some speed ups. It's only 2 minutes. Collect it, boom, done. Imagine doing that now 142 times. So it's pretty monotonous. So what I decided to do is to use a couple of programs. One I already have, it's built into Windows 10. Another one I downloaded real quick from the internet, and it's got some good reviews, so decided to give it a try. So here, let's go over to my desktop now. So I'm basically using a program called Your Phone. So it's an application that's built into Windows 10. Basically allows you to, message through your desktop, look at photos, copy and paste between your phone and your computer, and then launch different apps. So basically what I did is I launched the um, Game of Thrones app here, and then I went and downloaded the program called Macro Scheduler. Again, it's a free program. So basically, what it does, it records your clicks and movements on the screen and creates a macro. So basically, I went through the process of clicking and going on, the different steps of crafting, and then it created this macro. I then went in and edited several features, such as the wait time between movements. So I ended up doing this by hand. The first pass they recorded for me, but I ended up deleting it, and I just went in and kind of built it myself. So basically, if you go into the mouse commands, you can go to mouse move, and then if you hover over the area, the top right gives you the coordinates. Basically, you type in the coordinates, program a wait time, so I put 2-second wait, and then an action, left click, and basically repeated that for each of the steps it took to create the piece of gear. Once it's done, it creates this nice little stream of movements. What I haven't figured out yet is how to then loop it. There's a kind of a counter program you've got to add in there to get it just go continuous. So basically, what I did, I just copied all this, uh, and then I just pasted it 10 times. So this program is actually only going to create 10 pieces of gear, but it's better than me clicking all those times. So let's kind of show you in action. So if I go up to, once you program it, I'm gonna go up to start and let's see if it works. You know what? I moved the mouse, so I threw it off here. Hold on. Repeat. All right. So what the heck? Click. I'm not gonna move the mouse anymore. So my hand's off the mouse. It's basically now going through the automated process. Program some wait times just in case the screen doesn't load fast enough. So I put it at about 2 seconds each click, move, click, or move, wait, and click. So now it's going to go through the process creating hopefully 10 gear pieces here. So far it's looking pretty good. So definitely it's going to save me a lot of time, a lot of patience. I'll have to go back and learn how to program the kind of counter and basically set for X number of times to go through, loop through. So I'll do some Googling and kind of figure out what code I need to add in there. Usually you have to set a counter and basically establish when you want it to finish. But yeah, you can see it's going through. It's going to create all those nice copper bands for me. For copper bands, using this method, I have to create again 142 copper bands. I've already done the daggers and the leggings, so this was my last little piece. So I'm gonna let this run through, and then again try to program it to kind of just loop, and I'll set it for the remaining number of times I've need to craft, and then that's it. Laziness in action. Boom. A little googling, using some programs that are free or already existing. So again, Windows 10, if you use the Your Phone feature, works well with Android. I heard it's got a little bugs with iPhones, but otherwise you launch it and then you open up the macro scheduler, create your macro, maybe test it a couple times, and then from there, boom, fully automated. Yeah, baby. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick little video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to kind of play with this a little bit and hopefully get it a little more fine-tuned, and then I'll share the results. Thanks, guys.